x squared minus 2x minus 8. So we have to find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. So you can split this 8 into two factors, so that on adding you should be able to get minus 2. On multiplication you should get minus 8, and on adding you should get minus 2. So we can take minus 4 into plus 2, is it not? So that on multiplication you are able to get minus 4 into plus 2, minus 8. On addition, minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. So you can split like this. Now you can proceed. X squared, and you can split the middle term as minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Now x being common, that can be taken outside the bracket. So when you take outside the bracket, it means you are dividing by that greatest common divisor. So you have x squared, that is the first term. You are taking x outside, so divide by that. So you are able to get x. So you can put x. Then minus 4x divided by x. Cancel minus 4. So you can put minus 4. Close the bracket. And 2x 8, which is common, 2. So that is the greatest common divisor. So take outside the bracket, and 2x divided by 2, cancel, you are able to get x, put x, and then minus 8 by 2, that is 4, you can put 4. Make sure that you should get x minus 4 in both these terms, so that you can take this as the GCD in the next step. So x minus 4 is the greatest common divisor, and based on that you have the first term, that is x into x minus 4, and dividing by x minus 4 you can get x. So you can write x plus 2 into x minus 4, that is the second term, that should be divided by x minus 4. Okay, so that you are able to get 2. So you can put 2 here. So x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So it means either x minus 4 can be 0 or x plus 2 can be 0. Therefore x can be plus 4. In this case x can be minus 2. Are you able to follow? Now you can declare the zeros. The zeros are, that is alpha is equal to 4, that is x is equal to 4, and beta is equal to minus 2, that is declared as beta minus 2. Okay, clear? Now we can verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. We have to verify the zero and the coefficient. What do you mean by coefficient? For example, coefficient of x squared is 1. Coefficient of x is minus 2. And what is constant? Minus 8. Let us check up. And what is the relationship between the coefficients and what? The zeros. It means we know the zeros are alpha and beta. So the quadratic equation is generally represented as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general format, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, c is the constant. We know the formula, the sum of squares or zeros. The sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. This is one equation. Another equation is alpha beta, the product of roots or the product of the zeros, is equal to C by A. This is another formula. Now in this sum we have to verify. So we have got these answers. What is alpha? What is the quadratic equation here? X squared minus 2x minus 8. You can write down. This is the quadratic polynomial. X squared minus 2x minus 8. 2x minus 8. And what are the alpha beta? We have got alpha is equal to how much? 4. Beta is equal to how much? Minus 2. Now we need to prove this. Okay, alpha plus beta. Let us have alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to, what is alpha? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So LHS is alpha plus beta is equal to 2. And what about RHS? RHS is minus B by A. Now what is A here? A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 8. Why? Because A is a coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x, that is minus 2. C is the constant minus 8. So I have put here. Now let us check. Minus B by A. Minus B. Minus B means minus of minus 2. Divided by, what is A? 1. So that is equal to 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. So here we have alpha plus beta 2. Minus B by A is also 2. So hence verified. Hence alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A is verified. Are you able to follow? So you have to write like this. And similarly you have to prove alpha beta is equal to C by A. How we can prove? What is alpha? 4. What is beta? Beta is minus 2 is equal to, what is C? C is minus 8. What is A? A is 1. Now 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 1, minus 8. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the proof. Hence verified. Hence can say alpha beta is equal to C by A is verified. Are you able to understand this? Okay.